and nurturing. Yay!
Actually, first time ko itong mag-attend ng tree planting ng NMM. Motivate sa akin kasi para makatulong na rin sa nature, lalo na yung panahon ngayon na ang dami ng baha. So, I think this is the right time na give back to nature naman tayo.
It is important po para mas maging aware po tayo at para po mas mapaganda pa po natin ang ating kapaligiran, mas maging maayos ang ating pong kapaligiran.
Keep safe everybody at we thank God na healthy pa tayong lahat kaya nagagawa natin ito. So let's continue doing it while we can. So we miss our chairman, pero I'm sure he's looking after us up there. Okay, so congratulations everybody and see you next year.
It's because I really like planting and I really want to do the promise what Mom told me to plant every year. Every year I will.
Everyone na gusto pang sumali sa mga future activities natin like tree planting, napakagandang experience to, not just to help our community but also experience na for us, also for team building na din.
Ito pong activities is masaya. So, let's try po para po mas ma-enjoy pa po natin ang environment, more green.
I encourage everyone to attend or to give back to nature kasi this is important for us, hindi lang po para sa akin, para sa ating lahat naman to and for the world na alagaan natin ang nature and the nature will aalagaan din tayo ng nature.
It's very important that you're doing this and hopefully you continue doing this every year. Well, for the health of your people who are going close to nature and for doing this favor to our nature. Congratulations again and see you next year.
Plant native trees para rin po ma-ensure yung survival. And ito po ay isa sa kanila. So we have 3 kinds. Ito po ay alibangbang. So kung nakita nyo po yung flowering na kulay ube dun sa may parking, ito po yon. So pag lumaki siya, ganun yung kulay. Tapos yung pangalawa po is yung ating banaba. Yes. It's one of the native na natin. And then yung pangatlo po is hinaluan natin ng nara para may diversity naman po siya.
I would like to thank our employees from NMM and Associates Customs Brokers and all our managers for taking time to participate in this noble activity of NMM tree planting activity here in Los Baños, Laguna.
NMM Customs Brokers, compliance beyond borders.